Hi, I am Jas Ahmad. Welcome to new video.
Normally, rope access is the way to reach the area where normally people can't reach without the scaffolding and all. It's at height or like that only, because if we want to reach there, we need to build a scaffolding first. To avoid that all process, lengthy process, because it's a lengthy process to build a scaffolding and then dismantle. It's a long process. So except that, we use the rope access. Normally in that, what happened, one person goes on the top and he rigged the rope there. So another person's means who is rigging, he's the level 1, level 3, and who is working on the rope, that guys are level 1 or level 2, anyone. So after rigging the rope, the level 1 or level 2 will go there and start the job. Whatever they have task there, they will perform the job and they will come down. After that, level 3 again go, and he will remove all ropes and all settings he already made there before, and just like that only. Normally we can use this rope access technique everywhere, like in base also, for the glass cleaning, glass window cleaning, normal use the rope access. Then here on the rig for the many jobs, inspection, maintenance, or remedial, any kind of job, people use the rope access. This technique can use anywhere. This is the just only one way to reach there. You can add any trade with this, like cleaning, maintenance, inspection, or welding, or fabrication, anything, any trade you can add with this. Rope access is the just way you can add any trade with this, so it will work anywhere. Like in shutdown also, for the refinery, stack painting, stack building, stack maintenance, then wind wall, for the wind wall cleaning also, for the maintenance also, and in lots of places we can use this. And for this, there are many training centers in India. I don't know about the UAE, but in India there are many places have a training center. In almost all training centers are in the south, Kochi, Tamil Nadu, Kollam, like that. So it's a 7 days training plus assessment. That assessor will come from the UK or from that side. It's a assessor. He will come on the last 2 days and he will see your all task. He will interpret your all techniques and all, and after that he will sign you are passed or not. So after that we will get certificate and we are ready to perform that same rope access in the field. In rig, there are lots of jobs, like we are working in the tank for the hull gauging, thickness gauging. So for that we need to climb on the bulkheads, so that time we can use. Then legs also, leg inspection for the U-weld, NDT or thickness gauging, anything, or shell removal, or any maintenance job for the light fixing on the top of the leg, any kind of job we can do. And then derrick remedial also, all beam changing, bolt changing, all structure changing, there we can use the rope access. Then crane also, crane inspection, crane maintenance, there also we can use. You can go any level, whatever height you want to go, you can go, but you want that much long rope. It's IRATA approved all equipments. That harness have, it's a special harness for the rope access. Then there are 3 cow's tails for the short ropes, for the cow's tail, that the dynamic rope. So we can use that dynamic rope as a cow's tail, as a line yard, as a fall arrestor system. Any just a short rope we can use anywhere and hang on it. So there are long rope also to for the long job. So we can, it's a static rope. So we have for that rope we have one ID. That rope will engage on that ID, and we have one lever to operate. that ID. So if we want to come down, we can operate that lever and we will come slowly down. And for the climbing up, there are equipment. There is one equipment crawl. It's fixed on the body harness. So with the crawl we can use for the climbing with the hand jammer. We will put hand jammer above our head shoulder, means head level, and we will pull up ourselves, and that crawl will pass the rope from top to the downwards. So it will lock the rope. So again we need to push our hand jammer upwards, and then again same process. Like that we can climb up. Any fresher have fear about this, but while you are working or while you are going on that height, that normally persons comes used to with that environment or situation. Starting period is for very means critical situation to handle that height, means and work at height, that much height. So it's a normal thing, but while working it's used to for the body and that person also. Safety, there are two lines. As I told you, we have 3 lanyards, cow's tails plus our rope. While working on the rope, there are 2 ropes for the main position. So one is the main for main rope for the ID, and second one is the backup rope for the ASAP. If ID's rope fail, then that ASAP rope will catch you. That 2 systems are there. So there are no any means lack of safety in that.